Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to win at low-stakes poker. To start, focus on playing fewer but stronger hands. Prioritize premium starting hands such as pocket aces, kings, queens, and ace-king suited. When you do enter a pot, do so aggressively to take control. This strategy helps you avoid marginal situations and puts pressure on your opponents, setting a solid foundation for consistent wins at these stakes. Understanding your position at the table is crucial. Playing more hands from late position, like the button or cutoff, gives you a significant information advantage over your opponents. When betting pre-flop with a strong hand, aim for 2 to 3 times the big blind. Adjust your bet sizing based on the number of players and their tendencies. This allows you to build pots effectively and extract maximum value from your strong holdings. Observing your opponent's betting patterns is key to making informed decisions. Pay attention to how they bet when they are strong versus weak. Avoid chasing draws with poor odds, especially when multiple players are in the pot, as this can quickly deplete your stack. Learn to control the pot size. This means minimizing losses when you have a weak hand and maximizing your wins when you hold a strong one, leading to better overall results. Finally, proper bankroll management and discipline are paramount for long-term success. Only play with money you can comfortably afford to lose, and never play above your designated stakes. Maintaining emotional control is vital. Avoid going on tilt after a bad beat, as this often leads to poor decisions and further losses. Stick to your strategy, manage your funds wisely, and stay disciplined to consistently win at low-stakes poker.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.